Hello everyone. Do you want to take your Shopify store to the next level and expand your reach through the ONDC network? Well, you are at the right place. In today's video, we will show you how to connect your Shopify store with the ONDC network. We are talking about the ONDC Connector application. So, how does this application works? It's simple. With ONDC Connector application, you can easily list and sell your products on the ONDC network, giving you the access to the much broader audience. So let's start and unlock the potential of your Shopify store with ONDC. So here is what we will be covering in this video. An overview of the application, how to install this application on your Shopify store, basic configuration and the workflow. So make sure to stick around till the end. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is ONDC? ONDC stands for Open Network for Digital Commerce. In simple terms, it is a decentralized platform that connects businesses of all sizes across the country, giving reach to millions of potential customers. Imagine an open network platform where your products can be discovered and purchased by millions of audience. That's where the ONDC Connector application for Shopify comes in. It's a perfect tool to connect your Shopify store with the ONDC network, making it simple to list and sell your products on this wide-reaching platform. Please note that ONDC is currently designed for businesses operating in India. So this app is ideal for Indian clients looking to leverage this powerful network. Alright, now that we know what the ONDC Connector application is, let's dive into the steps to install this application on your Shopify store. So first, go to Shopify App Store, search for Webkul ONDC Connector application. Now install this application. Once the installation is complete, you will find the icon of this application in the app section of your Shopify store. Now as you can see here, I have already installed the application on my Shopify store. You can also find the link of this application in the description below. Now we need to add the merchant. So click on Add Merchant button. Select the store type as OND Merchant Store and click on Validate. Since I am using the pre-production environment, it is asking for the merchant ID. But don't worry, in the live environment, it won't ask for this. Instead, it will prompt you directly to enter the shop details. Now click on Validate. Are you currently an existing seller for this merchant? Select No. Now here, please enter your seller name. Now click on Create Account. You see here, your seller ID will be auto-generated. Now click on Save. Once done, your merchant will appear in the connected merchant list. Now here, you will notice the onboarding status shows as incomplete. Now here, you will notice that the onboarding status shows as incomplete. Click on it to log it into the dashboard and complete this configuration step by step. In the end, select the e-commerce platform as Shopify and click on Confirm Platform. Your seller ID will reflect here automatically and then click on Finish. Once all the steps are completed, the onboarding status will update to completed and you will be redirected to the eComvisor dashboard. Now it's time to bring your products to the ONDC network. So for that, go to Action column, click on three dots here and click on Import Products. Here, select as eComvisor and click on Pick your store products. Choose the product which you want to import and click on Add. That's it. Your product will start syncing with ONDC. It may take few hours, but once synced, your product will be live on the ONDC network. Now whenever a customer places an order through ONDC, the order will automatically get synced and appear in two places. First is the ONDC merchant dashboard that is here, and second, the Shopify dashboard. This seamless synchronization ensures you track your and manage your orders effortlessly, both on the ONDC within your Shopify store. And that's how the ONDC Connector application for Shopify works. With this application, you can seamlessly connect your Shopify store to ONDC network, expand your audience, and boost your sales by reaching millions of potential customers. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative and easy to follow tutorials. If you have any questions, you can comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.